In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide a block on mobile view or on desktop view if you wanted. But this is a new feature that Squarespace has rolled out in October of 2025. We used to have to do a wonky workaround for it, and now it is built in. If we haven't met, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. If you don't have my Squarespace pre-launch checklist yet, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. It's basically a mini course on how to get everything launch ready for your Squarespace website. I'm here on my own Squarespace website, and this is what it looks like on desktop, which I'm pretty happy with. But on mobile, I really don't want this additional image here. I feel like it's just taking up space. It's not really making any sense. So before, what I would have to do is make this image really little and kind of just stick it behind this image. So it's still loading. It's kind of weird and wonky. The alt text is still there on mobile, but Squarespace has just rolled out layers, and that allows us to actually hide blocks on a screen view. So I could choose to hide this on mobile or on desktop, but here's what you do. So let's go back to our desktop and just look. So I've got a larger image here, a smaller image here. When we go to mobile view, they're both here. I just want this image. I don't want this one to show. So I'll go to edit, and now you'll see this new layers icon on the left. If you click that, you see all of the blocks in this section. So if I scroll down to the next section and clicked in here and click layers, you'd see these. So it's per section. So let's go back up to this top section, click on our layers. And this, it's easy to see what's highlighted. Sometimes it's hard to see what image this is, but if you look to the right, you can see what's highlighted. And I can just click this little eye icon and turn it off. And that image is now hidden on mobile, and I can move this one where I want it to go, hit save and exit. And now when I go back to desktop view, it's still there. So this is really handy if you want to hide something on desktop or mobile view. You can do the same thing on desktop. So if I wanted to, I could come in here. You can see the layers icon here. It works the same. If I were to hide something here, it would still show it on mobile view. So it is a screen size trigger. And let me go ahead and just exit out of here and go back to mobile, make sure that still looks good. Perfect. So that is how you're going to use the new layers tool to hide blocks on mobile or desktop, however you want. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or leave a comment below, as that helps other folks discover my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.